This is General Mathematics Revision and Practice, written by D. Rayner, second edition for the students of O-Level, British curriculum, Edexcel, then Cambridge, etc. Today we shall discuss on geometry, the fundamental results. What is here? Exercise page number 70, exercise 1. What is given here? Straight angles. Number 1, this is straight line, 2 straight line up here. Here are the 3 angles, 60, 25 degree and A. So what is the question here? Find the angles marked with letters. Therefore the question is, what is A? এখানে তিনটা অ্যাঙ্গেল দেওয়া আছে স্ট্রেট লাইনের উপরে, angle 60, angle 25 and angle A. So what is A? So for question number 1, what shall be the answer? 60 plus 25 plus A. So we know one straight angle equals to 180 degree. Sum of the 3 angles will be 180 degree. If there is a straight line and another one touch it, what will happen? Then another one touching, then this is 60, this is 25 and this is A. So whatever the number of the angles may be, sum total will be 180. Therefore 60 plus 25, 85 plus A, 180 here. A will be 180 minus 85, that is 95 degree. Okay, another one. Here is the same case. Here are the 4 angles produced, created here. 4 angles. Sum of the angles is 180 degree because it's straight angle. So the same case will be here. Number 2, what will be? B plus 41 plus 40 plus 50, that is 180 degree. So easily you can find out the result. 1 okay, 180. So B will be 180 minus 131. So B will be 50, 49. 49. So in the same way, okay, here the question number 7, the same case here. This is one straight angle, A plus 2A plus 3A, that is 6A. Number 7, this is 6A, sorry, here number 7, A plus 2A plus 3A. So here will be 6A, that is 180 degree. So A will be 180 by 6, that is 30. So A is 30, 2A will be 60 and 3A will be 90 degree. This is the way. Now question number 3. These are the 3 angles by one evolution. They are made by one evolution. এক চক্কর ঘুরে আসছে এটা। So here the summation will be 360, that is 140 plus 120 plus this is C. Okay, so it will be 140 plus 120 plus C, this will be 360. Okay, 100 200 260. So 360 minus 260, C will be 100 degree. So for one revolution, the sum of the angles will be 360. For the question of 4, here total angles, sum of the total angles will be 360. So we can easily find out D. Here number 5, it is a triangle extended, one side is extended, this is external angle. We know for a external angle, the external angle will be sum of the two opposite internal angle. That means E will be 71 plus 58. E will be 71 plus 58. So this is number 5. E will be 71 plus 58. So 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 5 12 is 129. So we have to remember for any triangle, if one side is extended and here the external angle is created, so this will be equals to opposite internal two angles. Suppose it is A, it is B, so E will be A plus B. This is the case. E will be A plus B. Next, number 6. Here is a quadrilateral four-sided figure. So three angles are given. One is 80, another is 72, the other one is 113. So what will be the fourth one? So we know for a quadrilateral, for example, here is a quadrilateral just like that one, A, B, C and D. So it is 80, it is 72, it is F unknown, it is 113. So if we just make produce this one, that is diagonal, what will happen? This is a triangle, this is another triangle, এখানে একটা triangle, এখানে একটা triangle. Therefore for each triangle sum of the angles will be 180. For two triangles there will be sum of the angles will be 360. Therefore for any quadrilateral sum of the angles will be 360. So here F plus 113 plus 80 plus 72, sum will be 360. So 2 plus 3 5, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 1 16, 1 2, repeat 3 আর 2 5, ওকে 7 আর 8 15 16 1 2, ঠিক আছে 360. So F will be 360 minus 265. So it will be 95. I see. 100, 360. Okay. So F will be 95. Therefore, for any quadrilateral, sum of the angles will be 360. We have to remember. একটি চতুর্ভুজের চারটা অ্যাঙ্গেলের সমষ্টি হলো 360 ডিগ্রি. ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান, এখানে আমরা বলেছি যে 7 নাম্বারটা যে স্ট্রেট অ্যাঙ্গেল তিনটা, therefore এটা হলো 180 ডিগ্রি. তারপরে নাম্বার 8, সেম থিং হিয়ার, F E E, ওকে, F equals to 2E. So here what will happen? Number 8. So E plus F plus F. What is here? 180. So 2E plus 2F, 180. So 2 common, E plus F. What will happen? 180. E plus F, that is 90. So what have they said here? F equals to 2E. It is given here. F equals to 2E. So E plus F. F means 2E. 90. So 3E equals to 90. 1E equals to 90 by 3. That is 30. So I have found 30, 30, then 60, 60. F will be 60. F will be 60 degree. Okay. Then number 9. What is happening here? It is one revelation. Sum of the three angles equals to one revelation, that is 360. So one is 140, another one is 110. So therefore, what shall we write here? Number 9. 140 plus 110 plus h. 140 plus 110 plus h. Further number, question number 9. 140 plus 110 plus h. Sum of the three angle will be one revelation, that is 360. So h plus 100, 200, 250. 360. Therefore h will be 360 minus 250. That is h will be 110. So this is the result. Then question number 10. What is here? For question number 10, angle 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles sum up to one revolution, that is 360. So, and here it is 90 degree. This sign mark stands for 90 degree, that is right angle. So it is 90 degree, x, 3x and x. So one revelation here, 3x plus x plus x plus 90, that is 360. Question number 10. 3x plus x plus x plus 90 equals to 360 degree. So 5x plus 90, 360 degree. So 5x will be 360 minus 90. So 270. 360 minus 90, that is 270. Therefore x will be 270 by 5, that is 54 degree. X equals to 54 degree. So we have solved question number 10. Then here number 11, this is one revelation. So how to do? A plus 3a plus 5a, that is 360. Question number 11. A plus 3a plus 5a. It will be 360 degree. 360 degree. So 10a equals to, not 10, this is 9a. 9a equals to 360. Therefore a will be 360 by 9, that is 40. 4 9 are 36. 40 degree. A will be 40 degree. So then number 12. What is here? Number 12. One revelation here also. A plus B plus C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D, it will be 360 degrees. So what is here? They have given condition P equals to 2A, C equals to 4A, and D equals to 3A. D equals to 3A. So you have written 4 3 7 8 9 10 10A, 10A 360. So A will be 36. So we can easily write down the values of A, B, C, D. No problem. Then question number 13. Question number 13, what is here? It is a triangle. These are 140 and 145 external two angles, and internally it is A given. So what is A? Question. So we can write down here. Suppose it is A, for example, B and C, or P and Q. No problem. P and Q I am writing here. A plus P plus Q. Okay. This is question number 13. Now question number 13. So 140 external angle equals to A plus P. No, I'm wrong. A plus Q. A plus Q. Another external angle 140. 140, it will be A plus P. A plus P. So there is an easy way. I am doing the same sum in different way. First of all, 140 plus P, it will be 180 degree. 140 plus P, it will be 180 degree because it is a straight angle. So P will be 180 minus 140, that is 40. P will be 40. Again 145 plus Q, that is 180. It is also 180. So Q will be 180 minus 145, that is 35. So Q is 35 and P is 40. So what will be A here? A plus P plus Q, that is 180 degree. Here question number 13. A plus P plus Q, that is 180 degree. So P is here 40 and Q is here 35. So 75 here. So A will be 180 minus 75, that is 105. So A will be 105. Okay. Question number 13. Then question number 14. Question number 14, not 140. Question number 14. Here, this is a triangle. This is 90 degree. A plus 2A, B and C. Okay. So question number 14. 90 plus A plus 2A. 90 plus A plus 2. Here 90, it is A, it is 2A. So sum of the three angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. So I am writing 90 plus A plus 2A equals to 180 degree. So 3A equals to 180 minus 90. So A will be 90 by 3, that is 20. that is 30. 90 by 3, 90, that is 30. So A is 30, 2A will be 60 degrees, no problem. So what is B and C? For question number 14, what is B? We know 2A plus B, that is one straight angle, it will be 180 degree. So B will be 180 minus 2A. A is here 30, so 2A will be 60. So B will be 120. Finished. Then C. Again A plus C. A plus C, that is one straight angle, 180. A plus C. A plus C equals to 180. So what will be C? 180 minus A. A is 30, so it will be 150 degree. So we have found out C is 150, B is 120, and A is 30. So question number 14 finished. In this way we can do the other ones. Question number 15. What is here? For the triangle, this one, 2x plus 3x plus 4x, sum of the angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. একটা ত্রিভুজের তিনটা কোণের সমষ্টি 180 ডিগ্রি. Question number 15. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 180 degree. We know. So 9x equals to 180 degree. So x will be 36. No, I'm wrong. 20. X will be 20 degree. So what will be y? So 2x plus y will be 180 degree here. 2x plus y will be 180 degree, therefore y will be 180 minus 2x, that is 40. So y will be 140 degree. So we have found x is 20 degree and y is 140 degree for the problem number 15. Okay. So up to here we have done question number 15. From question number 1 to question number 15. Inshallah, in the next video we shall try to do the other ones, that is question number 16 to the last one as far as possible. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.